guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be bringing you game-changing clean beauty products. So if you're familiar with my channel, I love talking about clean beauty, and I've been trying to make the switch to have all beauty products and everything in my life be clean ingredients. It's something that I'm super passionate about. I feel like it might not be practical for everyone's lifestyle to have every single product be a clean beauty product, but we can try and make a difference and reduce the amount of chemicals we're putting on our body. Also, now that I am pregnant, I have to really watch what I'm putting on my skin. I had to change up my skincare routine a little bit, and obviously body care. There's so many things you have to be on the lookout for if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. I've dove a little deeper into the clean beauty world since being pregnant as well. So today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 game-changing clean beauty products that I've been using religiously recently. So if you want to see my clean beauty video, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be showing you my Dossier fragrance. If you guys are familiar with my channel, then you know I love Dossier's fragrances. They're a company that makes high-end designer dupes of all the fragrances. Like, I'm talking, you can find any fragrance you want on their website. I love Dossier because it's clean ingredients. So like I've told you guys before, I got rid of all my fragrances that are not clean. I'm only using Dossier and a few other brands because my holistic doctor also told me when I went there that a lot of the toxins that were in my body and stuff happening was coming from beauty products. He told me this like probably a year or so ago. So I've been really trying to just like cut out the amount of things I'm putting on my skin that have chemicals and that are like causing harm to my hormones or anything like that. Dossier is my favorite because they're literally $29 and they smell identical to the designer perfume that it's mimicking. Like, if you buy regular perfume, it's anywhere from $100 to $300 and even more expensive. They have Le Labo, they have Tom Ford, they have Chanel. I'm telling you, any fragrance you want is on the website and they keep adding more and more. I literally probably own close to 100 by now. And it comes in this box with your fragrance and a fragrance card, which I love because a fragrance card tells you the notes. This month I'm showing you guys the Clinique Happy dupe. So it's called Fruity Orange and the concentration is 20%. And I always tell you guys that the Dossier fragrances last longer on me than regular perfumes due to the concentration. I love the Clinique Happy scent. I feel like it's just like so good for summertime, and I don't know, it just feels like something you'd wear in July, August, you know, when you're hot, you're at the park, you're at the beach, whatever. And also, since I'm a mom now, this is the fragrance that my mom always wore when I was growing up. I literally still have her Clinique Happy bottle in one of the boxes I have here of her stuff. And I was like, oh, I'm a mom now, so let me just spray some Clinique Happy. It's like one of those things that makes you so happy and sad at the same time. So I've been wearing this month, and I like to just switch up my fragrances all the time. I'll have like a fragrance I wear outside, a fragrance after my shower, a fragrance if I'm just running errands. I have literally so many of these because I love them so much. If you try Dossier, they have free returns and exchanges, so don't feel like you're scared to take the chance. You can still return it. If you hate it, you won't hate it, but they do have that option, which is nice. And like I said, they're always adding more and more to the website, and I have a coupon code which I'll link down below for you. I don't get paid from it, but it saves you 10%, and you can also stack that with their deals because they have deals on their site where it's like the more you buy, the more you save. You buy one, you get this percent off. You buy two, you get more. 3 is like 30% off. So it's so worth it. I'm obsessed with this. Thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this portion of today's video. And if you're trying to transition into more clean beauty, fragrance is a great place to start because anything you put on your skin, it will absorb 70% of it. We all like wearing fragrance every day, so this is just such a great place to start. So now I'm gonna get into more clean beauty products, and I just discovered recently that Nordstrom is carrying tons and tons of natural beauty and clean beauty products. One of the main brands I use, Necessaire, is carried at Nordstrom. I've been using them for about maybe like 2 years, and I think I own almost one of everything at this point. My favorites recently has been the body serum and the exfoliator. So the one in my shower right now, because I go through both of these items so quickly, the one in my shower is the sandalwood one. I think I have like a little drop left. I used it this morning. Also, I'm going to be doing like a bump routine, like a body care routine, to show you all the stuff I've been using on my body to prevent stretch marks during pregnancy. But let me tell you, this body serum, I've been using this for like probably 2 years, and people were like talking about it. I guess maybe I saw it from like an influencer, and I was like, oh, I don't think a body serum is gonna do a lot, but I like the concept that it was skincare for your body. So just like you'd put a serum on your face, this was for your body. And I was like, oh, okay, it's just gonna be like anything else. No, I put this on my arms and shoulders and chest before bed, and then I put a lotion on top of it. It was unreal. Like, just the body serum alone was enough, but also putting a lotion on top or a body cream on top, it was literally amazing. And this has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's fragrance free. The body exfoliator I got this time was fragrance free. Like I said, I have the sandalwood one in my shower, and the eucalyptus also smells great. But recently, I've just liked going the fragrance-free route. I know some people can be sensitive to fragrances, and there can be certain chemicals. Necessary is a clean beauty brand, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you want to layer scents like your fragrance or body creams that have scents to it, I would just do fragrance-free everything from them. This body serum, I feel like I've mentioned this to you guys several times because I really love this brand. This has hyaluronic acid in it, and you can also mix this with your moisturizer if you don't feel like doing several steps. But I've been using this literally every single morning, and it's a game changer for sure. Also from that brand, I'm telling you, I use the body oil, I use the hand cream, the body wash. I have so much from them, and I'm so happy, especially now that I'm pregnant, to be able to trust a brand that it's really clean ingredients. And then the exfoliator, I like this because it's so gentle, it doesn't hurt. You can also put it on an exfoliating mitt and scrub more that way. Before I self-tan, I always do that. On the bump area, because my skin is more sensitive now that I'm pregnant. Also, I just started showing like 2 weeks ago. So like it happened very fast, but I just use it on my little like loofah, and I just like to exfoliate the bump area and like the sides really like 2 or 3 times a week. I try not to overdo it because I don't want to get a rash or anything, but this is honestly so good. I like that it's gentle, but your skin still feels super soft afterwards. So I got these two from Nordstrom, like I was saying, and I want to talk to you guys about Nordstrom's clean beauty program. So they did gift me with a few products, which I'm so appreciative for, because if you know me, like literally even before I started YouTube, like if you know me, Nordstrom is my favorite store. So like, hi, I'm living a dream right now. Literally, I'm at Nordstrom maybe 3-4 times a week. There's one less than a mile from my house. I always do pickup order, drive up order. I'm shopping there. I cannot wait to buy my baby stuff there as well. I'm gonna buy my stroller, my car seat. But that's besides the point. So if you know, I'm obsessed with Nordstrom. And the fact that now when you go in store, they have natural beauty, clean beauty signs. So you know, you don't have to read the ingredients or think about it. You can just walk up and look at all the clean beauty they have. I'll also link some stuff down for you below. So they have a whole section on their website and their app where it's just clean beauty products. And also I'm gonna link 2 things I'm about to discuss with you as well. So they have a recycling program, which I had no idea about. I'm so happy that I'm finding out. It's called Beauty Cycle. So anytime you have any empties of anything, you can take it there, and they have a bin where you can recycle all of the empty products. They take hair care, makeup, skincare. The only thing you can't do is like aerosol bottles or any kind of like electronics, you know, like any beauty tools. You can even drop off like your little samples. If you get a sample of a skincare or fragrance, you know, it's like a little container. And their goal is just to reduce waste. They want to be able to recycle 100 tons by 2025 of beauty products, which I think that's amazing, because think about all the empties we go through and we just keep throwing them away, and this way can be recycled and reused. So that will be linked so you can read about that as well. And their goal is just to help with climate change and everything going on in the world right now. They're trying to reduce by offering clean beauty, offering the recycling of the packaging. They also donate like a whole bunch of money to organizations that help with climate change. So that will be linked if you want to read more about it. I was just happy to find out that they had a section so it's easier to shop and you don't have to even think about it. I was already using a lot of brands in their clean beauty section, but there were a lot of brands that were on there that I had no idea were clean ingredients. So I'm super excited to be able to discover more things. There's 2 more products I want to talk to you about. One is a new purchase for me, which I'm so excited about, to die for, so I'll leave that for last. And then one other one I've showed you guys before. So this is the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It. This is a cooling and under eye balm, but the color of it is rose. So if you have dark circles like me, I have like brown dark circles. We've been over this. I have a video on my channel, which I can link up here for you guys or down below. My experience getting the microneedling with PRP injections under my eyes. So it's no secret that I struggle with dark circles. I don't know if it's just hereditary, what it is, allergies, who knows. I live in LA, it's smog city, disgusting. But this, I'll insert a close up right here for you. This stick is just amazing. It's natural and it just brightens your under eyes. So the days I'm not wearing makeup, I just like to put on sunscreen, put this under my eyes. They look super refreshed and glowy and a little lighter. It does have a sheen to it. And I also want to say that I wish that Tula would come out with more shades. Like this is a light pink color. They need to come out with a yellow one for medium to deep skin tones because hello, can we be inclusive? Like this is great, but if someone medium to deep skin tone put this on, it would be great under their eyes. So I don't really appreciate that aspect of it. So hopefully they'll come up with something else because I do love that this is clean ingredients and brightening. It has probiotics in it, so it's just amazing ingredients. But let's get it together and get another shade of this, please, Tula. Thank you so much. Okay, lastly, you're not ready for this. You're not ready. This is the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. I want to note that they're a clean beauty brand. I have seen so many products over the years from influencers promoting, also me using their lip products before, but I never use this product. This says it is recyclable, clean, vegan. Amazing packaging, aesthetically pleasing, put it on your counter. Let me tell you, I can't even describe the scent of this. This is $32 by the way, and it is 7.7 ounces, which I think is great. Let's see if you can see it. I'll put a little close up. It is rich. It feels just like I can't stop putting it on my body, to be honest. I don't know how to describe the scent. It's like coconut, but very light. It doesn't have a strong scent, but you just like kind of pick up on it. It's amazing. And it's so rich and it just makes your body feel like silk once it sinks in. I've been so into body butters lately, especially since being pregnant. I know it's so annoying to keep bringing that up, so I'm sorry. But that's like what's going on in my life right now. And you know, my beauty routine changed so much, but I've just been into rich body butters. My favorites are this one. Let's see, the Fenty Beauty one is amazing. Rihanna used that on her bump when she was pregnant. She posted on her Instagram. So that was cute. And I also was using the Brazilian Bum Bum, and then I tried the Trader Joe's dupe of that as well. But this one, you can trust the ingredients. The packaging is aesthetically pleasing. It's unreal. Like I said, the scent is the best part for me. It's light enough where you can like put your perfumes and stuff on top of it. And then the fact that my body just feels so moisturized and like silk, I just can't get over it. I think that everyone should have this. And also I think this would be an amazing gift for someone's birthday, Mother's Day, Christmas. I'm kind of obsessed. And then when I find a product that I'm obsessed with from a brand, I kind of have to like go and discover everything from the brand. Just like with Necessaire, I have tried every single thing except for their deodorant, which is a gel. Oh, also I wanted to tell you for Necessaire, I really want to get their neck serum. They came out with a neck serum recently. It was sold out at Nordstrom, so I'm gonna order it on my app. I was using a neck cream from SkinCeuticals before I was pregnant, and I was obsessed with it. It had retinol in it though, so I couldn't use it. So I really haven't been putting anything on my neck, and I really want to. So I can't wait to get that in the mail. I'll link that for you as well. Everyone needs a neck serum to be preventative, even if you're young, if you're older. Take care of your neck. It's like your hands. You can age here and here first. So, oh, by the way, I need to also get like driving gloves and sunscreen to put in the car because I do have one of those crazy looking rainbow face shields. I never use it when I'm driving. I really need to. I miss being able to do all my beauty treatments and like retinol products. So I'm just like waiting for December. I'm literally gonna have the whole month of January be nothing but beauty appointments. I'm telling you, I'm doing microneedling with radio frequency. I'm doing my Botox again, like cannot wait. I mean, I don't need it, but it's preventative. And I was like really obsessed with it. I only did it twice, by the way. That's another video coming. We're not gonna get into all that, but I'm gonna make a video for you guys also with all of the products you can still use while pregnant and beauty treatments you can still get done while pregnant because that's important to me. And if someone else is pregnant, I want them to be able to, you know, have the resources. So, but these are some of my game-changing clean beauty products. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos about clean beauty. I've been so passionate about it. Once again, thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring my fragrance of the month and to Nordstrom for sending me some clean beauty products. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.